Charles here from AllCoastLawncare and Pressure Washing. Hey, so I'm excited because this past year, well 2 years, I've been using pressure washing in our services to clean houses and concrete driveways or walkways, because the customer asked that question, hey, do you do pressure washing? And I've been saying no. So a couple of years ago, a good brother of mine from the Marine Corps told me his pressure washer, used though, but it's awesome, and it's still working great. It's a 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. So you could get away with cleaning a house with a pressure washer and cleaning concrete with a pressure washer, okay? It's recommended to use soft pressure on the house. So I keep my distance when I'm applying, because I downstream. I keep my distance when I downstream my chemical, which is SH, sodium hypochlorite, onto the house. And I keep my distance when I rinse off the SH from the house. But to do a roof, which I want to start doing because there's like a lot of dirty roofs over here, y'all, okay? And to increase the lifespan of a roof, it must be cleaned. It must, all that organic growth that's growing, algae, mold, moss that's growing on the roof needs to be cleaned, okay? All right, if it's not, it's gonna decrease the lifespan of the roof, and those shingles are just gonna rot. And you can't apply pressure to a roof with a pressure washer, okay? Because I'll just damage it, all right? Okay, those shingles is what saves the roof. So in order to do that, soft wash system, okay? There's many soft wash systems, there's homemade ones, which I want to show you right now, our homemade one. All right, so I have here a 26-gallon water container. Over here, Anna. I got Anna on the camera. I got a Remco 5.3 gallon per minute pump. I got this from Southeast Soft Wash. All right, and I got this right here from my nearest AutoZone. This 27 DC marine battery, okay? You want to use a marine battery, all right? This cord right here, I got this from Southeast Soft Wash also, and the circuit breaker right here, okay? So, these banjo fittings, I put banjo fittings on here, okay? I saw Joe Deary from Powerful Improvements. I've been watching him a lot, learning from him, and there's many YouTube, channels out there, y'all, okay? But I saw Joe Deary use banjo fittings, so I want to use banjo fittings, okay? I'm excited because this is my first time I'm going to use this, okay? So you're going to see this being used for the first time also. I haven't connected the battery yet at all, okay? So this is the first time we're going to see this. So these are kind of loose. These are quick connects to the these fittings are quick connects to the pump. So I went to my Tractor Supply, and I got the correct fittings to connect to the banjo fittings, all right, and the couplers, all right. So I have 200 feet of clear poly braid hose, 200 feet, y'all, okay. And this is 15 feet of hose connected from the pump to the water tank. Now this is just water, all right. This is just a demonstration, okay. It's my first time using it. I'm excited. Are you excited? Hey, let's do this. Ready, Anna? We're about to connect this battery up. Hey, I got this from my nearest pressure washer supply, MVP in Wilmington. Okay, and I got this all on Amazon. I see a lot of people use it on Amazon, so I'm gonna give this a shot. I got banjo fittings right here, you know what I mean, as a quick connect, just in case I want to switch to other guns. All right, don't pay attention to this. I took out my hose so I could, roll out my water hose to fill up the water tank. So here we go. Positive, positive, negative, negative. All right, y'all. Okay, it's priming, okay? You hearing that? All right, it's priming, y'all. All right, Anna, come over here, because we're going to spray the top of the roof. There we go. See it? Can you see the top of the roof?
Yes.
All right, so this is the one story of my roof right here, y'all. Let me switch to the I got my long range right here. Actually, I got my F5 twist. There we go. F5 twist on action. So you could get if the roof is like this right here, you could get the top part of it without getting on a ladder. Want to do a chimney wash, you could actually get the chimney too. Like 5% SH on that, okay then. Alright, but keep in mind, and watch this right here, the tip. Alright, you see all this overspray y'all got right here? So if you're close to bushes, always wet the bushes first, okay? I don't know if you see those, can you see it on the camera, the sprinkling?
You can see the mess.
Yeah, you see that mist, y'all? Okay. Hey, this is my first time using it. I'm excited. Okay, let's go to the David Shooter tip. Got the David Shooter tip. David Shooter tip, I'll get him all the way up there on top of the roof. So right there. So tell me what you think, y'all. Do I got too much? Is 200 feet too much? If you already do this already, if you already have a pressure soft wash system set up, is 200 feet too much? If I have to, I could put all this on the cart, cut the hose like at 100 feet. Would that give me more reach? You know what I mean? More height of the spray. Can I get up there to the tip? If I'm right here. What do you think? Are you excited with me? I'm excited. I could do roofs now, okay? Alright, so I don't know about this. Alright, tell me what you think. M5 twist or this? Let's do this again. I don't like that right there. I don't know because it's cheap or what, but it's dripping. I mean, I got it off Amazon, y'all. It's what do you call that company, babe, that sells them?
I don't recall.
It's like a Walmart brand, okay? Hey, look, y'all. So once I get established with this, see those roofs? I'm gonna get my neighbors first, y'all. Look at all those dirty roofs. Hey, I'm excited, y'all. I am confident I could go to a house and ask them if they would like their roof washed. And if they say yes, I am confident I could be at their house that same day to wash their roof. All right? And let's look at it again. Let's look at the setup again. Okay? I got 200 feet of poly braid hose, 1/2 inch poly braid hose. I got banjo fittings. I got this gun. Gun you'll see a lot on YouTube videos, okay? So that's why I got it, all right? I also made a, golly, what do you call that? Gilmore gun. Let me pull that out too. All right. I also got Gilmore gun I made. Okay. The poly braid hose, soft wash gun. Come here, babe. We got our 27 DC marine battery right here. We got our Remco 5.3 gallon per minute pump. All right. I got this from Southeast Soft Wash. And I got this cable from Southeast Soft Wash, all right? Hey, they're great guys over there, okay? You talk to them over the phone, they're great, all right? They're awesome, okay? 1/2 inch poly braid hose to my 26-gallon tank right here, all right? And banjo fittings I got off Amazon, all right? Quick connects, because when I'm done, I just disconnect them, and store it away, okay? I still haven't figured out my platform I'm gonna use, like a rolling cart, or just carry it inside the trailer and strap it to the trailer. Haven't figured it out yet, all right? But that is the hose right there for the 200 feet of poly braid hose. All right. This is too much in so much little time. I'm excited about this soft wash system that me and my wife made. All right. It's good having your partner, man, supporting you at all times, okay? She is the boss, she is the owner of the company. All right, I'm just the worker, the technician. All right, But anyway, y'all, hey, please like and subscribe. Hope you're excited with me. If you're watching this for entertainment, watching newbies freaking do soft wash, leave a comment. Leave some advice for everybody else watching this video, okay? Don't just roast me, but leave some advice. Hey, thank you. God bless. See you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Hey, is it good?
Was what good?
Like the thing, it was working, right? Look at that, man. I could do this.